Okay, so what are you trying to say? What do you want?
I was going to read my dog because they don't poop. I want to mop it because it's all gone.
So you're trying to say that if we buy a dog, you will take care of him?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
yeah.
If he poo-poo, what are you gonna do?
Mop.
If he pee-pee, what are you gonna do?
I will mop now.
Hmm.
I will clean Papa.
And then where does the dog sleep?
It's there. I will make him a new house and toys.
Toys?
And food and water.
So you'll make him food?
Yeah.
What type of food you will give?
Goldfish.
Hmm?
Dog likes goldfish because he likes it.
What goldfish? From where? We don't
It's
have
from the kitchen.
You mean your biscuit, goldfish biscuit?
Yeah, because they can feed up goldfish.
Wow.
And the dog will be drinking water.
Okay. Where do you get the water?
It was right here.
Okay.
Papa, can you read my name? Bubblegum?
Bubblegum?
Yeah.
That will be the name of the dog?
Yeah.
Bubblegum?
Yeah.
Okay.